Starting a business with almost no money in 2024 may seem like a daunting task, but with the right mindset and strategy, it is definitely possible. The first step is to identify your passion and skills. What are you good at? What do you love to do? This will be the foundation of your business. Once you have identified your passion and skills, the next step is to research the market. What are the current trends? Who are your competitors? What is the demand for your product or service? This information will help you determine if there is a viable market for your business idea. After conducting market research, it is important to create a business plan. This will outline your goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will not only help you stay on track, but also attract potential investors or partners. With your business plan in hand, the next step is to start networking. Attend industry events, join online forums, and reach out to potential customers. Building relationships with other professionals in your field can lead to valuable partnerships and collaborations. Now comes the time to create a minimal viable product or service. This is a basic version of your product or service that you can test with a small group of customers. Use their feedback to make improvements and refine your offering. Once you have a solid product or service, it is time to focus on marketing. Utilize social media, email marketing, and word of mouth to spread the word about your business. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new customers. As your business grows, it is important to track your finances. Keep detailed records of your expenses and revenue and regularly review your financial statements. This will help you make informed decisions and ensure the financial health of your business. As you continue to grow your business, consider seeking funding from investors or applying for small business loans. This additional capital can help you expand your operations, hire employees, or invest in marketing efforts. Finally, don't be afraid to take risks and think outside the box. Starting a business with almost no money requires creativity and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals and be willing to adapt to changing circumstances. In conclusion, starting a business with almost no money in 2024 is a challenging but rewarding endeavor. By following these steps and staying committed to your vision, you can turn your passion into a successful business. Remember, the journey may be tough, but the rewards are worth it in the end.